Good morning, students. Here I am going to explain about modulus or absolute value of complex number. Clear? Modulus means we can say magnitude. Modulus means magnitude. Clear? Of complex number. Clear? Or complex number. Understood? There are few properties of moduli. First one, mod of z is equal to 0. It is implies z is equal to 0. That is real part of z and imaginary part of z is equal to 0 also. Now going to explain here. Let z is equal to suppose a plus ib. Clear? Any numbers we can take depend on you. Mod of z is equal to what? Mod of a plus ib. Clear? And means under root a square plus b square. Clear? When you will find the magnitude of complex number z is equal to a plus ib, means mod of z. This is symbol of mod. Mod of z is equal to under root a square of real part plus a square of imaginary part. That is a square plus b square. Clear? It is denoted by r also. R is the modulus of complex number. Understood? Now mod of z is equal to 0. Since mod of z is equal to 0 means what? Under root a square plus b square is equal to what? 0. Now a square plus b square is equal to 0. Now a square plus b square and 0i is equal to what? 0 plus 0i. Clear? Now a square plus b square 0 here. This value going to write in the complex form, that is a plus ib is equal to 0 means 0 plus ib. Now going to compare real part a square plus b square 0, that is real of z is equal to 0, and here 0 is equal to 0 means imaginary part of z is equal to also 0. Clear? Therefore, we can say that mod of z is equal to 0, then z is equal to 0, that is real part of z is equal to 0 and imaginary part of z is equal to also 0. Understood? This is a property. Please, you may learn, you may try to understand about first property. Clear? Now, let z is equal to a plus ib here. Z bar is equal to what? Z square. Clear? Z is equal to a plus ib into conjugate of z means what? A minus ib is equal to mod of z means mod of z whole square. Now a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus ib whole square is equal to mod of a plus ib whole square. A square minus I square b square is equal to what? Here under root a square plus b square whole square. Now what is value of I square? Minus 1 means plus b square is equal to this square cancelled by this root a square plus b square. Now hence proved. Therefore, this is also property of complex number. Please, you may learn all the property. Second property, z into conjugate of z is equal to mod of z square. Third property is mod of z is equal to mod of conjugate of z. Property 4, minus modulus of z is less or equal to real part of z is less equal to real part means here mod of z, and minus mod of z is less than equal to imaginary part of z is less than or equal mod of z. Now z power minus 1 is equal to conjugate of z upon square of mod of z, and mod of z1 into z2 is equal to mod of z1 into mod of z2, and in division form mod of z1 by z2 and mod of z1 by z2 is equal to mod of z1 upon mod of z2, and here property number 7, mod of z1 plus z2 is less than or equal to mod of z1 plus mod of z2. Clear? I'm not going to prove all the properties, please, but how many property I have written here, try to learn, try to understand. And this property number 1 is most important, 2 also very most important, this is also most important, and this property also most important, but you should know all the property. Clear? Don't think only 1, 2, 3 and 6 are very important. That's why you will learn, you will maintain with this much property. How many property I have given? All the properties are important for you. Clear? So please you may learn, you may write down in a copy and try to understand. Now I am going to explain, I am going to tell question based on property of complex number. Now see this question. Find the modulus of 2 minus 3i into 4 plus 5i upon 1 minus 4i into 2 minus I. Understood? Then just I have told you z1, z2 upon z3, z4 full mod is equal to what? Mod of z1, z2 upon z3 and z4. Clear? It means if whole mod of the so many complex number either in multiplication form or in division form, then it will equal to indivisible mod of indivisible complex number either in division or in multiplication form. That is z1 into z2 means z1 into z2 separate by z1, z3 and 4 mod of z3 into mod of z4. Now see here, therefore 2 minus 3 I 4 plus 5i whole upon 1 minus 4i and 2 minus I. Here whole mod. Understood? Now 2 minus 3 here, other we can write direct here also, into 4 plus 5i whole upon mod of 1 minus 4i and 2 minus I. Here, since z is equal to a plus ib here, mod of z is equal to what? Mod of a plus ib is equal to under root a square plus b square, means square root of the sum of square of real parts and imaginary parts of complex number. Understood? Then here under root 2 square means 4 plus minus 3 means 9 into under root 16 plus 25 and whole upon 1 plus 16 into 4 plus 1 is equal to 13 into what? 41 and whole upon 17 into and 5. Now under root 13 into 41 upon 17 into 5. Now you can do multiply whatever answer. Now this is a value. Understood? Clear? Because simple calculation you can do, okay. I'm not going to multiply and divide this and everything. Now see the second question. If z is a complex number such that mod of z minus 1 is equal to mod of z plus 1, then you have to show that real part of complex number is equal to 0. Clear? Now here let z is equal to a plus ib, means we can suppose any complex number. It is not compulsory you may take z is equal to a plus ib. You can take z is equal to a minus ib, 2 plus iy, any numbers you can take, but this is simple for you. Now here z minus 1, a plus ib minus 1 is equal to a plus ib plus 1. Now what? A minus 1 plus ib is equal to a plus 1 plus ib. Now symbol is there. Therefore modulus of this complex number is what? A minus 1 whole square plus b square is equal to under root a plus 1 whole square plus b square. Clear? Now root cancel by this root, a minus 1 whole square plus b square is equal to a plus 1 whole square plus b square. Cancel here. Now a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square what? Plus 2ab. Cancel, 1 by 1 cancel, minus 2a is equal to plus 2a, then 4a is equal to 0, a is equal to 0, therefore a is equal to 0. Clear? Now we can put here z is equal to a means 0, 0 plus ib. Clear? Now what is the real part? 0. Therefore real part of z is equal to 0. Clear? In this way we have proved real part of z is equal to 0. Understood? Very good. Now see this question, solve and find the value of complex number. Clear? Yes, mod of z plus z is equal to 2 plus I, where z is a complex number. Now first of all we have to suppose, means let z is equal to a plus ib, where a plus ib is a complex number. Now here mod of a plus ib plus a plus ib is equal to 2 plus I. Understood? Mod of z, mod of a plus ib. Why? Because z is equal to a plus ib. Now find the value of mod of a plus ib, that is under root a square plus b square plus a plus ib is equal to 2 plus I. Now under root a square plus b square plus a plus ib is equal to 2 plus I. Now going to compare. Compare means this is a and this is ib is equal to x plus iy. Clear? Now going to compare real part of the first complex number to real part of the second complex number, that is a is equal to x. A is equal to x means what? Under root a square plus b square plus a is equal to 2, equation number 1. Any doubt? Good. Now imaginary part of the first complex number to imaginary part of second complex number, that is b is equal to I. Therefore b is equal to means 1, equation number 2. Clear? Now b is equal to 1. The value of b is equal to 1 we will put in equation number first. Put b is equal to 1 in equation number first. Under root a square plus 1 square plus a is equal to 2. Clear? Now a square plus 1 is equal to 2 minus a. Now square it both side, means a square plus 1 is equal to 2 minus a whole square, then a square plus 1 is equal to 4 plus a square minus 4a. A square cancelled by this square. 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 4a, minus 3 is equal to minus 4a, a is equal to 3 by 4. Clear? Therefore, a is equal to 3 by 4 and b is equal to 1. Therefore, complex number z is equal to a plus ib. So 3 by 4 plus ib means only, b means 1 means I. Now this is answer. Clear? Or we can write 3 plus 4i by 4. Clear? Understood? This important question. First of all, we suppose we let z is equal to a plus ib. After that, put the value of z means a plus ib is equal to a plus ib and 2 plus I. According to symbol, reduce a plus ib to this form. Now comparing real part and imaginary part of real part, first complex number to real part and imaginary part of the second complex number. That is equation number 1 and 2. After that, solving first and second equation, and we will get a is equal to 3 by 4 and b is equal to 1. Clear? Now I am going to give homework questions in assignment. Write the conjugate of I cos 7, 1 minus I by 1 plus I. Second question, find the real value of x and y of x minus iy into 2 plus 3i is equal to x minus 2i upon 1 minus I. Find the multiplicative inverse, that is reciprocal. Clear? Reciprocal clear of 6 plus 5i whole square. Second part is minus 7 plus 0i. Question number 4, simplify minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2i whole square. And second part, so that 1 plus 2i upon 3 plus 4i into 1 minus 2i upon 3 minus 4i is a real. Clear? Real means there is no I. This is last question. Let z1 is equal to 2 minus I and z2 is equal to minus 2 plus I. Now find the real part of z1 into z2 upon conjugate of z1. In second part, imaginary part of the 1 by z1 into conjugate of z2. Clear? Therefore, I am going to finish this video, and this question is as an assignment question. Please, you have to write all these homework question under assignment. Understood? So please, you will complete your homework question and start the revision. Thank you very much.